What is good with y'all? It's your boy Curdy Bo, and I'm here with another banger, man. And in today's video, I'm about to be showing y'all how to get an 808 and GarageBand mobile, man. Now, I will be doing a PC series. I got a MacBook, so I will be doing a tutorial on there too. But for this video, I'm going to be showing y'all how to get that 808 booming, man. So before we get into this video, make sure y'all like, subscribe, and comment. You already know the vibes. You're on the road to 20K. And hey, man, the marathon must go on. But without further ado, let's get into this video. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my drums. And I'm going to go to, y'all have to download this, but it's called the Flex and Flow. You can just get it in the drum kits up top right there. But yeah, man, there's different 808s you can play with. In this video, I'm going to be doing the modern 808. So now, as y'all can hear, it's not really hitting that hard. So what I do is I turn my bass up a little bit, and then I go to my plugins and my EQ, and then I go over to distortion, and then on my drive I turn that up a little bit, but don't turn it up too high. You don't want it to sound bad. And then you just get your, now you can go to different 808s and just put the distortion on, but that's really how I get down with the 808s. Let's turn my distortion up a little bit, and then I turn the output up too. Now to make it like blend, I'm gonna throw a little reverb on it. All right, so we finna make a little beat with this 808, man. Let's get it. All right. Now the beat probably gonna sound a little off, so I'm finna, finna just make everything sound right. Make sure everything is where it's supposed to be. Now what I'm doing is turning up the velocity. All right, y'all, so I just finished the 808s. I'm finna let y'all hear it right quick, and then we finna just add some sounds to the beat. Alright, so I heard that one of the notes didn't really sound that loud, so we about to go back in here and we about to just turn up the velocity a little bit. Remember, if your bass ain't hitting, man, you probably just didn't hit the key hard enough when you was recording. So make sure you come to the that edit and just get your beat right, man. All right, but now that that's over with, we finna start. We finna get these hi-hats in, man. So let's do it. So what I'm finna do is I'm finna just go to my drums, and we gonna click on modern 808 again. And I'm gonna just go to my settings right quick. My visual, I mean, just turn that up. And then I'll turn my treble up a little bit. So yep, let's get into it. Now that it sounded a little off, so I'm gonna quantize it a little bit, and yeah, let's see how it sounded after that. You know what? What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna redo it, but I'm gonna put the timer on. So let's get into it. Alright, I'm finna loop this right here. But yeah, I'm just messing around on the beat a little bit, trying to make it sound nice with the 808. But yeah, we brought the 808 drum kit back in, man, and I'm just layering the beat right now to make it sound nice. But yeah, man, that's really how you get your 808 to sound, you know, nice and loud on GarageBand. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this tutorial. If y'all want to see more tutorials like this, just let me know down below in the comments, man. But hey, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Curdy Bo in this thing. Curdy Bo out, man. Peace.
Screaming out for help and ain't nobody help me up. So when you see a nigga up, you should already know what's up. Don't worry about what's in my cup, bitch, I got it out the mud. Eating hella ramen noodles, no hot water in the tub. But it is what it is, and it was what it was. Thick skin, I can't cry, I gotta run these bands up. Been disappointed all my life, the shit I seen was really